Hello and welcome back to Super High Graphics. So today we're looking at how to make a simple logo design and give it a nice beautiful mock-up. So what I have in mind, the name of the logo design has to do with something like pillar accessories. So we just get started with what I have as an idea. So here we go. Delete what you have on your screen. Then let's just make use of for now let's select the background. Okay, let me use this as a starter. Okay, now the next thing is the logo has to need something like a crown. So I have some things that I downloaded from, so I've downloaded some crowns kind of over time. So here is it. Here is a crown. Let me just crop it a little. Okay, something like this. Just position this here. Let me position it at the center. Okay, now I want to add some spice to it, so I have some other stuffs. So I just search for in my search. So I went through my folder and I saw some beautiful things that I decided to make use of. Okay, here is a beautiful pattern that I felt like will really match. So I just went ahead to something like this. Just bring this one here. Something like this. So the next thing I did was just to duplicate this one, bring it here, come to crop, and I rotated it the other way around. Okay, now I have it. So I'll just rotate it a little like this, place it here like this again. You can see this. Okay, good. Now let's check the rotation rate so as everything will be accurate. So you just come to rotate. Okay, this one is minus 25. This other one, let's make it minus 25 first, or plus 25. This one is negative, this one is positive. So great. Position it properly. Just use your positioning tool. Sometimes when you're making a logo design, the client will give you an idea of what they want. So yours is just to try and interpret it and put it into your work. So I'll just change the color of these ones. Okay. Excuse me. The color that the client wants is something purple like. So I already made use of purple before. So I'll just select purple. You can use any color. It can be red, it can be blue, but this case purple will suit so well for this design. So I just made use of purple color. Okay, great. Here we have it. The next thing I did sorry, excuse me. The next thing I did was just to write the name, which is come here, edit this, and just click on this. So I typed in the name Valerie's accessories. Okay, let's okay that. Now the next thing to really beautify this design, now it has to do with the kind of font that you will use. So I will just come to font and select a fancy font. So you can just use any font of your choice. When I'm making some stylish things like accessories, this text I enjoy using. here is one, so I just increase the size of this now. Okay, I feel like the space, so just position it. I feel like the space between the words are too much, so I'll just come to space, like spacing, space words, and just reduce it. You can see that. Okay, good. Now position it. You can use positioning tool again. Position it to the center. But I feel like it's a bit out of place, so I'll just bring it here. Okay. So now the next thing is just to come to shape, to add some kind of beauty to it. You can come to shape and create any pattern of your choice that you just feel like would work for this design. So let me just create something like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, let me just open this up a little. Okay, this. Okay, that just duplicate that. While that one is up, click on this one and I'll just close this. I want to create like a two-line pattern. So come to layer, select this one and just bring it to the center. Okay, back, and just move it down so as it to be underneath the first one, something like this. So you can, I want it to be thicker a little than the first one. So something like this. Okay, now the first one, I want to reduce the size. So as it can form a pattern. You can see how I'm doing this. So just, you can align it to the center. Great. Now you can see the other one also, align it to the center. Okay, now you can see the pattern and the star. So the next thing is, let's just change their colors. Let's just change their color to, let's say, purple color also. Great. Okay, this is nice. Now here we have it. The next thing that I would like to do is, let's just add something like maybe social media handle. So I'll just come to my import and search for some things. I just come to my social media handle. Okay, let me add them. Instagram. Okay, let's reduce the size of this. Let's check the size. Let me make it 5.6. Okay, can even make it 8, your choice. So I'll just place it somewhere here, under here. Okay, just type in a text. Let's say Valerie one two. Okay, let's just say that's just the handle. So you can just bring it down, reduce the size as much as you fit, and just position it. Okay, let me just duplicate this, duplicate it, and just click on reselect. I want to add another social media handle. So let me add Facebook. Okay, Facebook is fine. Just reduce the size of that also to the same size. Let's see. Size. Okay, let's make that size 7 also. let's reduce that. It's bigger than the Instagram, so be careful. Okay, let's leave this like this. So I can just duplicate this Valerie. I can just come here, duplicate it and place it right in front of here like this. Now you can see this, the other Valerie is a little bit out of the alignment with the lines that are above it, so I'll just come to layer and select them to realign them properly so as it can fit in. Okay, there I have it. Can move it down a little. Okay, something like this. So yes, this is what I really made for the logo. So to save this, I will save it in PNG format, that's transparent background. You can see the pattern. Now I will save this now and then go to PhotoP to give it a fine mockup, and that is it. So see you guys in PhotoP. Okay guys, here we are in PhotoP. You're welcome to PhotoP. Okay, the next thing is just to come to, let's say, open, let me use a free mockup PSD file that is available here. So under this general, let me just select anything that I want to, so I want to do a mockup with any of these things that I have on here. Let me see if I can get something. Okay. Let me just make use of all these things. They are not all free to use. Some of them are locked. So let me just use the one that I'm sure it's open. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll just click on this, then click on this again. Now it's loading, you give it time to load. So you must be patient whenever you are using PhotoP. Okay, you can see it's opened. I'll just come here and click on layer, folder, layer above it. I'm supposed to click on the layer above it. Okay, so you just scroll down and search for smart object. Click on smart object here, then you can see open and edit. Just open that. Now it's opened, the background is no longer there, so you just click on layer on this side. You can see layer, just click on it. Now click on this high sign here, you can see it. Now the text and the design on the page will disappear. Click back on layer, then you come to file. Under file here, just click on open and place. Under this open and place, you must have downloaded your PNG format of your design from Pixellab or wherever you are designing. So you just go to wherever you have it, and then okay, so and just click on it. It will open. You give it time to open it up for you. So let's wait. Now you can see it has opened this. The next thing I want to do is you can see how I'm using my two hands. I'm reducing the size of the screen so as I can see it very well. So you can use all the angles to increase the size. You can see some parts are like it's not showing. Don't worry, by the time you are sure of what you have, and by the time we finish the mock-up, everything will show properly. So just increase the size to fit onto the screen. Bring it down. So once you have something like this, the next thing is just to click on File, then you come to your Smart Object. You can see this. Just click on Smart Object. That's Save as Smart Object. Once you click it once or twice, you give it time to bring up a message and you see Smart Object updated. Okay, you can see Smart Object updated. The next thing you just do here is you can see two things on the page. As usual, you just click on the 3D logo, ignoring the graphics family or whatever. So you just click on the 3D logo once or twice and give it time to do the little magic of mocking up your logo or your design, whatever it is. Okay, good. This is really fast. The network here is very good, so you must have a good network, like I always say. So here you can change the name if you like. You can see if I want to change the name, but I don't have the time, the luxury of saving the name, so I'll just go back and just click on OK. Now it's saved. The next thing is just let me increase it. You can see what we have just designed. Now you can see the beauty of our design. It is this simple. Now to save it, just come to File and click on Export. So you just export it as PNG. So there you have it. You can just click on this Save. Click on excuse me. Click on Download again, and there, let me open it for us to see. So here is our design. You can see our design. This is all that we have been doing. Isn't this beautiful? Yeah, it's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. God bless you. If you're new to this channel, do well to hit the like button and subscribe.